Okay, hello, assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu alaikum. This is Nawaid and today I'm showing my mom's Nissan Rogue.
Nissan Rogue 2025.
Yeah.
Okay.
So let's start off by saying,
Let's see how it looks like.
let me show them the back first. Come. So here we have some spare parts for the side.
And big spray, right?
Yeah. Then you have spare for tire.
Okay, we'll open later. Come.
Yeah. So now let's go here.
And this one's the tire size, the big one.
Yeah, it's like teeth.
Uh,
It's like shark teeth.
yeah, 235, 60, or 80.
Yeah.
This big size tire.
My favorite tires are
And
BMW.
comes this front side. Look at the front side. Where
Beautiful. So at the front side you can clearly see the Nissan logo.
and they change sun headlight. And this vehicle no need fog light because fog light is there.
Yeah. Let's
Come inside. Go another side, no mind.
Okay.
So this one is Nissan SV and 2025.
Yeah.
And what's the specialty is heated seat for both sides
Yeah, heated seat.
and
Heated tire. Or heated.
heated steering. Okay.
This is my
Another
favorite
is
part.
my important thing is panoramic
We have to start.
moonroof.
If
Right?
I'm honest, that's not my favorite part. My favorite part is this. This is my favorite part of the car.
I like the panoramic moonroof.
Yeah, it's also very cool.
Look, whole thing you can open, right?
Yeah.
And this one is your favorite thing, right?
They used to have it like a full circle. You had to
Yeah.
open it, like pull it.
I
but
like
now
this
it's-
part, and I can show the back side is big space. I'm the short guy, but look wide. Look how far distance.
Yeah. It's a good distance.
This good space too, right?
Yeah, good space. So this is our car so far.
And we set up for our interior, right?
Yeah,
So night view would be more different.
yeah, it's gonna be.
So we'll add another video after
Yeah.
evening time, right?
Yeah. So
So keep continue after evening. We'll
now
add another
let's show our night view.
night view. Come.
Let's go. So now let's get inside.
Go inside. Piping light, right?
Yeah. So the white piping light. You might have
So
to
I'm
fix a
gonna
little like
start.
right here, but it's okay. So yeah. So the light should turn off.
Okay. Yes.
Look at this snazzy thing.
So it's not
So-
comes with Nissan Rogue
Yeah.
2025.
Yeah. So we
you
had
bought
to.
this one from Amazon, right?
Yeah, we bought it from Amazon. So here is everything included.
Yes.
My favorite part, like I said earlier,
Close it.
this is my favorite part, and it should. So here is the assistant manager, and he gave me the
Frisbee.
frisbee,
And
and he gave me the
Your sunglasses, right?
Yeah, the main manager.
And
Here.
contract sign.
Yeah, here's where we're signing.
And it's for your mom, okay?
Yeah.
So
Here.
this sales person is very nice, right?
Yeah.
Right? He's very professional.
Yeah. So here is our group photo.
Sure, yeah.
Nissan gifted us this frisbee and the glasses. So thank you, Nissan, for gifting me these. So,
They give
yeah.
another keyring too, right?
Yeah, so it's Nissan Fontaine in Michigan. So
Michigan, Nissan choice. Right?
yeah, so you guys should probably check it out.
Okay. So thank you for watching.
Please subscribe, hit the like button. Bye bye.
Yes. Bye bye.
Bye. you.